Hey YouTube, have you ever posted one of your videos to Facebook and then gone back later and updated the thumbnail in the Creator Studio and then gone back to Facebook and shared it with more people only to find that it's still sharing the original thumbnail that you don't want to use? Well, I have. Guess what I just found? How to fix that. I went on Google and I searched for how to do it. I found this site called F-Stoppers, which is a website for photography help and stuff like that. And they said to go to develop.facebook.com/tools/debug. You go here and you put in your URL. I do not know why it's posting up the other searches from random other sites. You put in the URL. Then, now I've already fixed it, so it's showing the correct thumbnail. But what you do is you click scrape again. And then it'll update the thumbnail, and every time you go and post it now to other pages, whatever, it will have the correct thumbnail that you've selected for your video. And that's all you have to do. And it fixes the preview. Man, before I was like deleting the preview and posting a picture of it with the link in it and too, I had no idea it was so easy to fix. I should have Googled this sooner. Anyway, that's all. That was easy. Thanks for watching. If you like, give a like. If it helps you, whatever, you know. Subscribe if you feel like it. And I'll be back again later, very soon. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.